Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I am joining the Shwowin's Nest on the Craft Your Stash with Nature DIY challenge. And she wanted us to find something from nature and make a DIY with it. That's why you see the background. I'm looking for something to make my craft. I hope you like it. In the description box down below I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity that I'm here to thank her for bringing us this awesome challenge. And I'm here in nature because I wanted a stick. So with this we're going to create something cute. Now let's get started. What we're going to need is some fishing line like this one. I have this roll left over for some project. I cannot even remember which one. And also I'm going to use the leftover of my seashells and the stick we got from nature. Also my hot glue gun that I have over here. First we're going to take our stick and we're going to wrap a little bit of rope around it. Just like that, because we're making our hanger like so. We wrap a little bit over there and glue it, and then we're going to move to the other side, just leaving a little bit for it to hang, and we're going to wrap around that corner a little bit more. After we have it, we cut the excess and glue the frayed edges of our rope. And now we're going to take our fishing line and we're going to tie it a little bit on our stick, and then we're gonna start tying our seashells. We're gonna do 5 of those lines, fishing lines, and we're gonna start adding our seashells. Just a simple double knot and that's it. Continue adding them until you're happy with the result, and then you move to the next row. Now I'm showing you how I'm making them and how are they looking. This is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our shells over here, our stick, our rope, and this is how it looks. I love it. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.